Who here hates hourly layouts? I have a hack for if you are not using all of the hours in your hourly planner, or if the hourly layout just does not have enough space for note-taking or to-do lists. A lot of time it just has this tiny space here on the side, but I'm gonna fix that. Welcome to Waylos. We're all about shortcuts in our day to smooth the way for the life we want. And I have a planner hack for you today. I got my Erin Condren 2021 Life Planner. The sticky notes are coming out. This is an hourly vertical layout. And I have to be honest, I don't love hourly layouts. And the reason why is because I don't use all the hours in the day. That came out really wrong. I don't schedule all the hours in my day. So I don't need big chunks of the hourly layout. It's useless to me, like the early morning and most of the evening. It's just time that I don't schedule hourly. So you guys know I'm using this vertical hourly layout for my job. Now I only work from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., something like that. So when I got the hourly layout, thank you Erin Condren for sending me this planner, I noticed that the hours are from 6 a.m. all the way down to 7 p.m. I work from 9 to 3, so I don't need this space up here, and I definitely don't need all this space down here. So I'm going to show you what I did. I used some stickers that I had lying around, and I also used my trusty whiteout pen thing, and I went from this to this. I experimented a little bit with the very first week that I did this, and I just used whatever stickers I had laying around to cover up the times, you know, the 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And I also just used some whiteout just to white out the times and put little check boxes instead. So now instead of all this time just being blank, just sitting there blank in my planner, I was able to use it for, I could use it for checklists, I could use it for reminders to list the phone calls that I need to make during the day that don't necessarily have to be at a certain time. I could list important things that I need to follow up with other people, and I can leave the weekends free. This really opens the layout to give me a lot more room to customize and to actually use all the spaces in the planner. This planner is $55, you know, usually. You can get a coupon and they do have plenty of sales during the year, but normally this is a $55 planner just to start. So you want to use up all the space. And a great way to do that is to just hack it up. Just hack it up. And the way I did that is with some stickers. Now this is the first week that I used it like this. So I was just trying it out. I was experimenting with different, you know, layouts for each day just to see what I would feel comfortable with. And I really liked this one, the to-do list. And also I really liked this for like phone calls and stuff. So what I did for the next week, instead of using up all my stickers every week, I decided to buy some matte white sticker paper. It's not glossy, so you can write on it with markers or a pencil or pen or whatever. And I cut out a section that would cover the spaces that I don't need in the hourly planner so that I could turn it into something new. It was complete blank canvas that I could mess around with and use for note-taking, or like I said before, phone calls, or really anything that you want. If you're not using the planner just for work like I am, if you're using it for your whole life and there's sections that you don't necessarily need to break down by hour, you can use this matte paper, or you can use the whiteout and stickers like I showed you before to have a little space each day for meal planning, or for your exercise routine each day, or to keep up with habits, like a little mini habit tracker or something like that. And it really helps to use all the space in the planner and really gives you the most bang for your buck. So just like I showed you, just grab a ruler, measure out the space that you want covered, and then grab that matte sticker paper and cut out that space, and you can stick it right on your planner. And now it's blank, free canvas, whatever you want. Now you can print on this paper, print your own stickers, or make your own little like to-do lists and fonts that you really like. If there's something that you know you're going to need to check off every single day, you can put that on here. You can make it on your computer and you can print it out on the matte paper. I really love this hack. It gives you more space in your planner. It gives you more bang for your buck. And I hope that you try it out. If you have an hourly layout that you find you're just not using enough, you have a whole new space for anything you can dream up. I hope you stick around and check out some more of my planner videos here, and I'll see you next time.